Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure contactless payments with Citi in iPhone wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure contactless payments with Citi in your iPhone wallet, start by unlocking your iPhone. Locate and open the wallet app on your device. Tap the plus symbol in the upper right corner to add a new card. Select the option to add a credit or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Citi card details. You can either enter the card information manually or use your camera to capture it. After entering the details, tap Next to proceed. The app will then verify your card information with Citi. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the verification code when prompted to complete the process. Once your card is verified, you will see it added to your wallet. To set up contactless payments, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open Settings from the home screen. Scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Toggle on the Allow Payments on Lock Screen feature for convenience. Ensure the default card is set to your Citi card for quick access. You can choose to enable or disable features like double-click side button for quick payment access. When you're ready to make a purchase using contactless payments, hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. Authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, you will feel a vibration confirming the transaction. Your contactless payment with your Citi card is now successfully set up and ready to use. Enjoy the convenience of secure and contactless transactions with your iPhone wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.